Hi ChatGPT, how are you? Hello everyone, my name is Sama Tradingwala and I am student Rehan College. This my topic is with talk with ChatGPT 15 minutes about my goals. Hello ChatGPT, how are you? Thanks ChatGPT. This is date 3 of taking with about my goals. Today I feel my clamp more season than before. One day I talk about my dream. One day two I talk about my goals. Today I want to talk about definition. I want to understand. Okay, where I am starting right now. Where should I move next? Okay. ChatGPT, let me be host. I am style learning how I am. I am student and I want to build a better future. I don't want success without meaning. I don't want money about with the skills. I want growth slow, ready and strong. That is why I am here again talking to you. Okay. One thing I want to talk about today is fear. Sometime fear, feeling, starting later, choosing the one. This is fair dose. Stop my me complete, but it show me done. Okay, ChatGPT. I want to learn how to move forward, even when we are 50%. Okay. ChatGPT, I am really sometime improve today. I don't need today everything. I need to one thing properly. Too many goals create a person, create goals, create place. So today my force is improving. Okay. ChatGPT interested of asking how can I be successful fast. I want to ask how can I improve daily. Okay. What skill I can to learn today? Okay. ChatGPT, my next question is I want to ask their question is feel lighter, but they are you more powerful. Okay, I understand. One strong that today big changes does come from big plan. It is come from small action done daily. Even 15 minutes of learning, 15 minutes of thinking, 15 minutes of practice can change the vision of our time. You're right. Okay. ChatGPT, this is 15-minute talk. Is a improve that of that. So today I want to talk about promotions. I promise to sport comparing myself with other, respect my own junior, stay confident even when rules are show. My any competition is wow is I am yesterday.